What's up everyone, Billy here with Ultra Bright Lights, and today I'm going to show you how to sync multiple UBL Color Flood Minis together. When you purchase a Color Flood Mini from UBL, you get a pair of lights, not just one. So, since you're getting two when you shop with us, we wanted to make sure you know how to sync them. The 6 white LEDs in the front will provide a strong white flood, making for a safer working environment. And the 6 side LEDs, 3 on each side, will flash an amber, blue, or red to signal to other drivers of your presence while you are responding to a call. Having a pair of Color Flood Minis synced will make them look great on your vehicle, and I'm going to show you exactly how this is done right now. A quick reminder, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with our latest videos. Before we get started with the syncing process, I'm going to go through the wiring. We have the black wire for ground, the blue wire activates the center white flood, the red wire activates your side shooters, and the yellow wire is to change the pattern on the side shooters, and it is also used to sync your Color Flood Minis. The first step to syncing your Color Flood Minis is to get each light onto the same pattern. So select the pattern you want to use, then apply the yellow wire to power to cycle through the flash patterns until both lights are on the same pattern. Once your lights are on the same pattern, connect the yellow wires of both of your lights together, and as you'll see, the lights will be fully synced. Since the Color Flood Mini offers independently controlled side shooters and a floodlight, with the flip of a switch, you can easily use either light as you need. You can have them both on at the same time, or just the floodlight, or just the side shooters. To see more of our videos about the UBL Color Flood Mini, like our flash patterns video, be sure to click on the iCard in the top right hand corner, or you can visit our channel to check out all of our content. The white flood on the UBL Color Flood Mini has a 30-degree wide spread, and combined with the side shooters, this light provides a powerful 220 degrees of coverage for superb visibility. This all-in-one emergency response light can be easily mounted using the single stud mount, and the swivel bracket allows you to adjust the light to your needs. With 19 flash patterns and 2400 lumens, the UBL Color Flood Mini is a great addition to your vehicle and will help you stay safe while on the road.